I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no, ma'am.
Today's courtroom meltdown is absolutely wild. A sovereign citizen walks in thinking the law doesn't apply to her, claiming she's not a U.S. citizen and doesn't need insurance. Yeah, you can't make this stuff up. What follows is a hilarious crash course in legal reality as this self-declared care of the court tries to argue her case and ends up getting absolutely shut down by a no-nonsense judge. It's awkward, chaotic, and honestly kind of satisfying to watch. If you love courtroom drama and legal takedowns, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get into it.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. It has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Does this Karen seriously believe what she's saying? She's actually trying to get the entire case thrown out because she claims she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. Like what? How does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're agreeing to follow the law. That includes having insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of made-up legal mumbo-jumbo is going to change that. But what do you think? Should sovereign citizens be held fully accountable, or do they actually have a point? Let's dive back in.
At your argument of trial of judge, will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Things are about to get way more heated than the last hearing. This sovereign citizen Karen completely loses it as the judge starts dismantling her arguments one by one. I mean, seriously, how hard is it to just get car insurance? It's not a secret government plot. It's literally meant to protect everyone on the road. But nope, she keeps spiraling, refusing to listen, and digging herself into an even deeper hole. The judge, calm, collected, and about to drop some serious legal facts. Let me know what you think in the comments. But for now, let's jump into this next courtroom showdown and watch it all unfold.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Vieira Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today,
I'm asking you to this matter. Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Vieira Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm attorney in fact. Listen.
Attorney of fact. I swear, every time a sovereign citizen drops that line, it's like they think it's some kind of magic spell that's going to win their case. Newsflash. That's not how the legal system works. If this woman really wants to represent herself or act as some made-up legal entity with no name, she'd need a bar number, like an actual attorney's license. You can't just waltz into court and invent your own rules. These sovereign citizens are so far removed from reality, it's honestly hard to watch.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Vieira Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? John Vieira Williams, are you present twice? John Vieira Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vieira Williams, the agent.
Okay.
So John Vieira Williams is not present. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Vieira Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Vieira Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Let me know whose side you're on in this courtroom showdown, the sovereign citizen or Team Common Sense. Personally, I'm all for how this judge handled it. She stayed calm, laid down the law, and didn't let the nonsense slide exactly how it should be. Too often, you see judges give these people way too much room, and honestly, that just doesn't help. Sometimes the best move is to shut it down and move on. But what do you think? Did the judge handle it just right, or should she have come down even harder? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more courtroom chaos. Thanks for watching. Take care.